Hi, my name is John Kelly. I'm an attorney here in Phoenix, Arizona, and I want to talk to you about wrongful death cases and whether they go to trial in Phoenix. Wrongful death cases are very unique cases, as you're probably aware, and they often do not make it all the way to trial. In fact, the vast majority of cases settle before ever getting to trial, whether it's a wrongful death case or whether it's another kind of case. Very few cases make it all the way through the gauntlet of all the litigation, the pre-litigation, all the way to trial. But what you need to understand is it's important to prepare the case like it's going to go to trial and have an attorney who has that experience to kind of front load the work, to have the right things in place that is going to make sure that the case has a better chance of settling early before it gets into deep litigation and all the way to trial. The insurance companies know which lawyers prepare their cases well. They know which lawyers have experience in trial, have taken a case all the way to trial, like our firm has several times, and gotten verdicts. So they understand what attorneys are going to be in it for the long haul. And typically, if they see that there's an attorney that's very competent, that has prepared their case well, that has crossed the T's and dotted the I's on it, they're going to try to get that case settled early because they don't want to pay for other attorneys to defend the case for several months and up to years, knowing that in the end, there's no out for them. They have no way out. They're going to go to trial and get a verdict against them. So early preparation is key. And in my firm, we have investigators that start the process with the attorneys talking over the case, making sure that we have everything in place to make the claim correctly. We have lawyers that have a low enough caseload that they have the time to dedicate their time and effort into driving the ball forward on the case. And what we have is the experience to know what we need to move the ball forward and make sure that we're making a demand. And when we do that, we're going to have an insurance company that understands, we've got a big demand here for potentially millions of dollars, and we're better off writing that check now than later when it's going to be potentially even larger because they have attorneys defending it. Obviously, the client has the decision-making power, and I have a communication with my clients to make sure that they understand fully what risks there are to go to trial, because sometimes it may make sense to go to trial. If the insurance company does not view the case like we do take cases all the way to trial, and that is something that happens. But the client is going to be fully informed and have that decision-making power to say, okay, there's an offer on the table. Is this what we were expecting? Is it enough? Or do we want to move forward with further litigation? And having the right lawyer to front load it and get those good results early often will save you a lot of time and effort in a wrongful death claim. If you have more questions about this process, I'm happy to talk it over with you. You can give us a call here at Kelly Law Team, 602-283-4122.